What's up, YouTube? It's your buddy MadFox13, and today we're going to be talking about what to do when your garage door is making a screeching noise. So, before we get started, if you're wondering where your buddy MadFox has been, oh man, trust me, a lot of things been going on. As you can see, we had a little bit of a yard sale and got rid of at least some of the things. Still got to get rid of a bunch of more things, but I'm reorganizing the garage again, as I always do. But also, too, another reason why I haven't posted any videos lately is because I've had to switch to a different internet provider. Now, I'm going to make a video about the reason why I had to switch, because the people that I was with, oh, trust me, they have made your buddy MadFox mad and angry. So, you know what I always do and stuff. Whenever someone makes your buddy MadFox angry, I'll let you know the truth about them. So, now, let's get to it. So, your garage door, it's making a screeching noise whenever you push the button and your garage door goes up. And next thing you know, it just like it hurts your ears. It makes like well, it just makes like a grinding noise or a screeching noise like nails on a chalkboard. Now, what that is all the parts onto your garage door has dried up, from all of the, from the wheels to the wheel bearings to all the parts to even the chain. Now, some people will tell you that even work on garage doors and that fixes them. They'll go and tell you, oh, you need to replace them. You need to put new deals on them. You just need to replace all of it and put brand new. No, okay? Unless something is broken onto the garage door, if something's rusted and it can't be cleaned or fixed just by cleaning it, if it's rusted, or if it's really broken bad, then you can go with taking and replacing it and stuff. But if it's just something like what I'm about to tell you, it's easy. Now, to get rid of this noise is just everything has dried out. Whenever the winter time gets here, as you can see up under the door right here and stuff, there's a way to where air gets in and it dries things out after so long. Or you do like I do sometimes, and you have to clean your door off because sometimes lizards or frogs or all kinds of bugs will get on there and put things all over, and you just got to clean it sometimes. But here's the things you can use to do. Now, when it comes to your garage door, there's places all over. Now, my garage door, as you can see, these parts right here, it bends into different parts when it's going up. Now, the first thing that you can use that anybody will suggest for you to use is WD-40. Now, WD-40, it's been around for years. It's been around before I was even born. And it is a good product. Every mechanic has one into their garage. Everybody has it in their garage. The only reason I don't got none in my garage is because I let someone borrow the can of WD-40 and they've never brought it back. Sorry. Trying to be a good person and stuff, not get angry that much a whole lot anymore, but still, when someone borrows something from you, make sure and stuff that you get it back. If not, go hunt them down and find them and get it back. So, yes, now you can use that, but this is the thing about WD-40. There's all kinds out there, but the most one that you'll find is the original WD-40. Now, this is the thing about WD-40, okay? When you use it on your garage door onto everything that you're going to have to spray, WD-40 will only last for so long. It will last for about a couple of weeks or a month or two before it stops working. Now, if you don't want to go that road, which that's a temporary fit, that's just temporary and stuff for a month or two or for a little while, you can always go do what a bunch of other people have made videos and said, oh, just go to the store, go to Walmart, go to Home Depot, go to certain places and buy the garage door spray. Well, I went and looked for it at my local Walmart and my Home Depot. Could not find it whatsoever. So, yeah, your buddy Mad Fox was looking around the garage for the WD-40, and I just thought, wait a minute. It's a chain up there. Now, this is the third thing that you can use. Now, if you're like me and you ride a motorcycle, and your motorcycle is chain driven, it's actually driven by a chain to make the back wheel and everything move, then you got a can of this. You should have a can of chain wax. Some call it chain lube, some call it chain wax. So, just like the Karate Kid, wax on, wax off, okay? But, this is the thing about it, okay? This is what you have to do. Like I said, you can use any one of the three that you want. I went with this because this is what I have in the garage at the time. So, and this is what I still got in the garage. And the places where you're going to have to spray, okay? Get my handy dandy Ryobi tool and stuff. Now, the first places you're going to want to spray, the wheels right here, and then the wheel bearings. You want to spray into that right there. I don't know if you can see that really good, but you have to spray all into there. Spray all the parts where the garage door bends. Also, too, that up there. Spray right where the actual, man, I'll tell you what, I'm having an off day of remembering things right now. My mind's going crazy, but no, spray up there on that and stuff where the wire will be spinning. Also, both sides. Even do right here and stuff where everything spins. Some garage doors, they're not like how mine is. They'll actually just raise up like that instead of just going and bending and twirling to go into that track to turn that way, like you see right there and there. Spray the springs down really good. Now, some people say and stuff to even spray the tracks a little bit. I would suggest doing that too, just for a little bit of spray right here. But now also, now the chain up here, the chain that goes all the way, that actually helps pull the door, okay? Spray that. Now what you can do is, here's different ways that you can do this. Now you can go like how I did and stuff and go side to side one way, then do it another way like that again. But the best thing you want to do, okay? I don't know if you can see this, that little lever that's on there, click that off. Now, if you have a garage door button, now once you unclick that, it's going to make this where it's not going to hold on to the chain. The chain will move by itself, but it won't be catching the garage door part. Now, all you have to do is just push the garage door button, hold the spray, and you'll start spraying the chain, but find right where you need to stop. But push the button, or have someone over there and push the button for you. Do it just like that, so you don't have to. Just get a ladder and spray like that, and then do the same on the other side. Spray everything down twice. You know, doesn't hurt. And after you do that, it will at least, it'll be working perfectly fine. It just has to get everything all re-lubed up, all that dryness. Now, none of y'all stuff that be thinking all terrible thoughts and everything. No, shame on you. Don't you dare. Not today. We're trying to keep this channel clean, okay? But also, too, whenever you go and you spray near the chain, please don't do like I did and have your motorcycle up under it a little. Because whenever I did it, some of the actual spray got onto the back seat of my motorcycle. Luckily, I wiped it off. It was good. But that's all it takes. I still got to do for that side over there onto the garage, but right now I still got to clean and do a whole lot of things. But until next time, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and as always, sayonara.